What's up, YouTube? Got a pair of 96 DT Air Maxes, Diamond Turf Air Maxes, aka Deion Sanders. Again, one of my favorite shoes, so I love when I get to work on shoes that I personally like. Customer brought these to me to make them look brand new. So go ahead and get into this. What we're gonna do here. Of course, we're gonna unyellow this toe box, possibly repaint the upper, depending on how bad it is. But of course, this midsole is not too bad on the outside, but I'm still gonna remove all the paint and repaint that midsole. Get that new look going forward. They're real dirty. You can't really tell from the camera, but they're pretty dirty. Not too bad, but either way it go, I'm still gonna have them looking new. Got a slight paint chipping on the midsole, but I'm gonna take care of all that. Get them back right. The main part is the inside of the shoe, the midsole. They got a lot of chipping, and due to age, the midsole, the foam crumbles, some parts will fall off, so I have to take precaution when I'm stripping this paint off of here. But yeah, let's check out the other inside of the shoe. This one's worse than the other side. As you see right there, that midsole is gone, few little parts of it, but we're gonna get that looking right. I don't know if you can see how yellow this is. Of course, the camera never does justice. It don't show the true color or how yellow it is, but this toe cap is real yellow. We're gonna get that done, but I'll be back with the finished product. Gonna clean his air bubbles as well. I'll be back with the finished product. Stay tuned. 96 DT Air Max, the finished product. I did a deep cleaning on these, and I repainted the midsole. As you can see, icy, look brand new. And I also did a slight customization to it. I was supposed to unyellow the sole toe box part, which I did, but I did numerous sessions and it lightened up, but it still had a slight yellow tint to it. So customer just said go ahead, customize it, customize it, make it black. So that's what I did. As you can see, it actually looks pretty good like that with the black sole all the way up. But that's the finished product. Midsole repaint, looking fresh. Sole toe box paint, looking fresh. Finished product. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.